everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're the Property Homies, and this is Clem, Cletus, and I'm Clyde, and we're going to show you how to build a house from the ground all the way up to the roof.
Wait, is it from the ground up or from the roof down?
Wait a minute.
What?
This is a brand new build. Everything's clean. We're wearing skinny jeans.
Yeah, we just got them brand new because we just wear them.
This isn't us.
No,
We're not the Property Homies.
no.
We're real builders.
Yeah.
This is not for us. We'll be right back. We're back. My name is actually Henry. This is Dennis, and this is Nate. And we're with EOS Homes, and as we said earlier, we're custom home builders, and our purpose of our channel is to show you how to build a house from the ground up, and we'll do some tool reviews and workwear reviews when it's appropriate. We are also unique in that we do a lot of our own work, from concrete work all the way to the finished work and the kitchens and cabinetry, as well as tile work. So we've got a lot of years of experience under our belt. I've been doing this for 38 years. Dennis pretty much close to that. Nate's a little bit younger than we are, as you can tell, but he's good at what he does. So we hope that whether you're a builder or DIYer, we can give all of you something. You can all gain something from the videos that we're going to show you throughout the process.